Right. We have been discussing manufacturing accounts. Grade 12 we have discussed there are 10 lessons. There are 10 lessons we have discussed grade 12. There are 4 organizations we have discussed on A level. Sole proprietorships, lesson 6. Partnership, lesson 10. Company, lesson 12. As well as not for profit making organization, lesson 8. Therefore, grade 12 we have discussed up to 10. And lesson 7, manufacturing accounts. We have discussed already sole proprietorships. Sole proprietorship, you know how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position with adjustment. As adjustment, we have discussed already inventory adjustment, bad debts and doubtful debts adjustment, disposal adjustment, depreciation adjustment, straight line basis, as well as reducing balance methods, and bad debts and doubtful debts adjustment. As well as we have discussed goods sent on sales or return basis adjustment. Therefore, from the beginning, try to get clear idea about the adjustment. Recent adjustment available all the organization. Inventory adjustment, bad debts and doubtful debts adjustment, goods sent on sales or return basis adjustment, depreciation adjustment, disposal adjustment, EPF and ETF adjustment. ඒවා තාම තේරිලා නැත්නම් ක්ලියර් කරගන්න try කරන්න. මොකද ඒකේ වීඩියෝස් මම දාලා තියෙනවා. Reason when we are going to discuss company lesson as well as partnership lesson, also those kind of adjustment available. Right, we are going to provide information in accounting to the interest party. How to provide information? By preparing financial statement. Therefore, there are 3 types of business available. Think about difference between business and organization. Business, it may be trade in business. Think about supermarket, purchase and sales available. And there are service business available. Think about educational institutes. As well as think about bank. Think about insurance company. Service business. They provided service. Therefore, income available, expense available. Sales not available. Sales available in the trading business as well as manufacturing business. Think about garment factories, furniture manufacturing business. Think about Toyota company, car manufacturing company. Right, business subject relevant for the business organization. In accounting, we are going to provide information. In accounting, we are going to provide information to the interest party to take decision. Right, think what manufacturing account we have been discussing. Why we have to prepare manufacturing accounts? These kind of accounts we have to prepare. Think what where we have to prepare. If there are manufacturing business, not trading business. If there are manufacturing business, it related information for manufacturing business we have to provide. Therefore, we have to prepare manufacturing accounts. By preparing manufacturing account, we are going to calculate total production cost fully completed during the accounting period. First one, try to get idea. මේ පාඩම අදාළ වෙන්නේ manufacturing business වලට. මොකද්ද අපි කරන්න හදන්නේ? We are going to calculate total production cost fully completed during the accounting period. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate total production cost. Total production cost can be divided by 2 parts, direct cost as well as production overhead. Direct cost further can be divided by 3 parts, direct material, direct labor, and direct other expense. Those are called prime cost. We have discussed already. And there are 3 types of inventory available in the manufacturing business. Raw material available, work in progress available, as well as finished goods available. Therefore, think how to adjust inventory also and how to calculate total production cost. And manufacturing account also part of income statement. Think after calculating total production cost, how to record in the income statement also. I will discuss later manufacturing accounts, income statement, as well as with financial position also. Complete sum I will discuss. Right. This is part we have discussed already. First one, think about format. We have discussed already. Just think about this is the way you have to prepare manufacturing accounts. Direct material. As a direct material, you have to calculate raw material consumed. That is the thing, keep in mind. As a raw material, in the manufacturing cost should be included raw material consumed. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate raw material consumed. Opening stock, raw material purchase, carriage inwards, import duty, purchase return. Then can be recognized raw material available for production. From that value, if it has given raw material damage stock and raw material closing stock should be deducted. Think about raw material inventory should be adjusted under direct material. Then direct labor as well as direct other expense. Direct wages කියන්නේ production process එකට directly involve වෙලා ඉන්න employees ලා. Direct wages. Therefore, wages paid for employees directly involved in the production process. If it is garment factory, think about machine operator salary. Machine operator. Then direct other expense also should be added. Then prime cost can be calculated. Plus production overheads, factory overheads, manufacturing overheads, all are equal. Production overhead, factory overheads, manufacturing overheads, all are equal. Add. Then can be calculated total production cost also after adjusting working capital. Working capital mean part of complete. If it has given work in capital, opening working capital should be added and closing working capital should be deducted. Total production cost can be calculated. Think about in the manufacturing account, raw material as well as work in progress inventory should be adjusted. After calculating total production cost, that value should be included in the income statement. Think about in manufacturing account also part of income statement. Total production cost should be included under cost of sales calculation as a production cost. Therefore, think about relationship between manufacturing account as well as income statement. Right. We have discussed already because there are two examples. Right. Today I'm going to discuss example number 7. We are going to calculate total production cost. First one, basic part I have discussed. Basic part I have discussed. As well as question number 5 also I have discussed. Question number 5. Question number 5 I have discussed. Now I'm going to discuss question number 7. There is a small difference. See the question number 7. Question number 5, question number 1 and question number 7. ඒ ප්‍රශ්න තුන එක වගේ නෙමෙයි බලන්න. එකිනෙකට වෙනස්. Right. 7, think about. It has given normal information. First one, read carefully. The following information is extracted from the books of Kamal Limited, a manufacturing mobile phone for the month end 31st March 2020. Think about mobile phone manufacturing business. Given only 1 month information. Month end 31st March 20. Month end. Not for the year end. And given inventory, raw material, finished goods also given. It has given values in 1000. And finished goods it has given value as well as quantity also given. This is a mobile phone manufacturing business. Mobile phone. And work in progress manufacturing cost. It has given work in progress. Make අනිවාර්යෙන් දෙන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. It is not compulsory. Work in progress, it is enough. Then think about raw material. Manufacturing cost can අයින් කරලා දාන්න. Work in progress 96,000. And purchase it has given raw material. Direct wages it has given. Carriage inwards. And cost of product producing designing cost it has given. Designing cost direct other expense. And factory rent, overheads, and given royalty paid, Royalty, also direct other expense. Try to recognize prime cost and production overheads. And given sales 11 for income statement, sales should be included income statement. Factory electricity, factory supervision, indirect material, those are overheads. Depreciation machinery and factory manager salary as well as repair cost of factory building. Those are production overheads. Production. Non-production overhead, if it is given, should not be included in manufacturing accounts. Non-production overheads. It means expense relevant for administration expense, distribution, other finance should be included income statement. In the manufacturing account should be included only production overheads. Production overheads. Right, think about additional information. ඔන්න මේ ගාන කලින් හතපු ගණන් වලට පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස්. හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න. Right, it is given additional first one. Closing stock is given as at 31st March 20. Closing stock. Raw material. Think what it has given rupee value, but here it has given values 1000. Therefore, you have to prepare financial statement 1000. And work in progress it has given. Work in progress. Manufacturing cost can kain karagan. Work in progress. This is a closing stock. But here not given finished goods. Finished goods closing balance is not given. But finished goods opening balance is given. Not quantity value, think about based on money measurement concepts. Other physical measurement cannot be used. We have to use only monetary value. But closing inventory finished goods is not given. We have to calculate. Additional second one, read carefully. It has given 2000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory. Mobile phone is a finished goods. Stolen like a damaged stock. Stolen from the factory, that is a finished goods. Stolen. Finished goods stolen or damaged stock should be included under income statement. Should not be included manufacturing accounts. But and there are two parts available. 35,000 worth of raw material was destroyed by fire during the year. That is a raw material damage stock. Due to fire damage, 35,000 worth of raw material. Rupee value is given. No entry has been made in this respect of these events. Right, second one, there are two transactions available. First one, recognize separately. Finished goods stolen. That value should be recorded income statement. But given quantity, value should be recorded based on money measurement concepts. And raw material damage stock is given. Raw material 35,000, values in 1000. Raw material damage stock should be adjusted in the manufacturing accounts. But this is a mobile phone stolen. Mobile phone is a finished goods. In the manufacturing accounts, finished goods cannot be included. Therefore, this one should be included in income statement. And third one, think about. These were 45,000 mobile phone in stock as at 31st March 20. Quantity is given. 31st March 20 means closing stock. Mobile phone is finished goods. Therefore, this is the finished goods closing stock quantity. But value should be calculated. Value how to calculate? From the beginning, you have to calculate cost of production per unit. Production cost per unit should be calculated into 45,000. Closing stock can be calculated. First one, think about manufacturing accounts. By preparing manufacturing account, total production cost can be calculated. After that, total production cost divided by production quantity, production cost per unit can be calculated. After that, based on production cost per unit, closing stock value can be calculated. Think about based on money measurement concepts. Other physical measurement cannot be disclosed on the financial statement. It has given closing finished goods quantity is given. but value should be recorded on the financial statement. Therefore, value should be calculated. Before calculate closing stock value, you have to calculate production cost per unit. That is an important thing. මේ ගානේ වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි production quantity හොයාගන්න එක. As well as production cost per unit, you have to calculate based on that value closing stock value as well as 1000, 2000 mobile phone were stolen. It value also should be calculated based on production cost per unit. And fourth one, during the year 290,000 mobile phone were sold. It has given quantity sold, which is included opening finished goods stock 37,000 mobile phone. Think what opening stock quantity is given 37,000 අන්න ඒකත් එක්ක 290,000 විකුණලා quantity is given. It is included opening finished goods. Opening finished goods during the quantity period sold. Therefore, during the month, here this one during the month, reason it has given information only 1 month period. During the month, 290,000 mobile phone were sold, including opening finished goods. Think about opening finished goods, it has given 37,000. Also sold, it is included 290,000. Therefore, this one, those information relevant for production quantity calculation. That part I will discuss later. Right, think about requirement. You are required to prepare manufacturing accounts and income statement for the month end 31st March 2020. It has given information only 1 month period. Mobile phone manufacturing business, there's total production cost. You have to prepare manufacturing accounts. By preparing manufacturing accounts, try to get idea what are the things we are going to discuss under this lesson. Therefore, this lesson relevant for manufacturing business, not trading business. What are the things we are going to discuss? We are going to calculate total production cost fully completed during the given period. Sometimes it is given 1 month period, sometimes it is given annually. Our duty in accounting, we are going to provide information. There are more manufacturing business available. Therefore, all the business organization, all type of business, you have to know how to prepare financial statement. It may be trading business, it may be service business, it may be manufacturing business. Organization, it may be proprietorships, it may be partnerships, it may be company, it may be not for profit making organization. Under A-level we have discussed there are 16 lessons, and grade 12 we have complete 10 lessons. This is lesson 7, manufacturing accounts, and I will discuss later together with lesson 6 and 7, manufacturing account with sole proprietorships. As well as I will discuss partnership with manufacturing accounts and company with manufacturing accounts. Therefore, relationship between manufacturing accounts and income statement, think about. Right, now prepare the format. There's manufacturing accounts and income statement. This is where you have to prepare manufacturing account and income statement. Manufacturing account as well as income statement. Think about formats. Income statement also together with manufacturing accounts. First one, draw the format. Prime cost should be calculated and work in progress should be calculated as well as total production cost. Think what those are normal information. Those are normal information. Raw material consumed. Opening stock, it has given only 1 month period. First one, write the name. Name of the business, it has given Kamal Limited. Based on entity concepts, think about concept lesson also. Saman Limited, Kamal Limited, manufacturing accounts and income statement for the month end, not year end, for the month end. It has given only 1 month period. For the month end 31st March 2020. It has given information only 1 month period. Then think about how to calculate raw material consumed. Open stock 1st March 2020. It has given information now 1 month period. 1st March 2020. As an inventory, here we have to include only raw material. Only raw material stock should be included here. Therefore, 1st March 2020 stock. Then raw material purchase, raw material carriage inwards, load in unloading cost, import duty, and purchase return. Raw material. Then can be calculate raw material available for production. And think what this is the way we have to calculate raw material consumed. Raw material consumed. Then raw material consumed. After that, direct labor cost, direct wages, and direct other expense, if available, should be included here. After that, prime cost can be calculated. Plus production overhead, factory overheads, manufacturing overheads, all are equal. Then work in progress also should be adjusted. After that, total production cost can be calculated. Think what format. After that, income statement. Sales minus sales return and cost of sales, opening stock, and think about production cost. Manufacturing cost, that value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Then closing stock. Here as inventory we have to adjust finished goods. Finished goods, opening inventory, or here inventory date can be included. Inventory 1st March 2020. Here as inventory should be included only finished goods and production cost. As well as closing stock, here also can be written like this. Inventory 31st March 2020 or closing stock. And in this example, it has given stolen mobile phone also. Mobile phone is a finished goods. Stolen finished goods damage stock should be included under cost of sales calculation. Right, then gross profit can be calculated. This is a normal format. Normal formats. Think what manufacturing account from the beginning. Manufacturing account TNA. After that, income statement. Therefore, manufacturing account also part of income statement. Right, now record given information. From the beginning, try to calculate total production cost. Now see the example. First one, record given information. It is given from the beginning raw material. Raw material value is given. Rupee value should be recorded. Rupee value. Right, opening raw material should be included under raw material. Think what values. It has given values in 1000. Therefore, opening raw material should be included under raw material. Value equal 52,000. Record it. Value equal 52,000. It has given values in 1000. First one, try to calculate total production cost. After that, production cost per unit can be calculated. Then closing stock and stolen value also can be calculated. Right, opening raw material equal 52,000. This value should be included in the manufacturing accounts under raw material. Opening stock value equal 52,000. Think how to prepare manufacturing accounts. The next one, it has given finished goods, opening stock 1st March 2020. Finished goods opening value equal 2,405,000. It has given values in 1000. Therefore, 2,405,000. Finished goods. Finished goods should be included income statement. Therefore, this value should be included income statement 2,405,000. Think what this is income statement under cost of sales calculation. First column 2,405,000. This is finished goods opening inventory. That value should be included, not manufacturing accounts. Finished goods should be included income statement. In the manufacturing account should be included only raw material and work in progress. Right, then next one, think about, start from the beginning. Then given work in progress opening balance. Work in progress it has given opening stock. Work in progress also should be adjusted in the manufacturing accounts. Opening stock should be added. Opening work in progress became a finished goods this financial year. Therefore, opening work in progress, all the opening stock should be added. And work in progress also should be included 96,000 in the manufacturing accounts. Therefore, manufacturing account 96,000. Think what here, opening work in progress. Opening mean 1st March 2020 now. It has given only 1 month information. Therefore, opening work in progress. Opening work in progress plus closing work in progress deduct. Opening work in progress value equal 96,000. Think how to adjust opening stock. Raw material as well as work in progress and finished goods. Finished goods should be included in income statement. Then think about other information. Right. Opening stock we have discussed already. Next one, purchase of raw material. Purchase of raw material. Under raw material 11,500,000. Therefore, that value should be included under raw material. This is a raw material purchase. Record it in the manufacturing accounts as a raw material purchase here. Value equal 11,500,000. 11,500,000. It has given values in thousand. Like that, from the beginning, try to complete. Therefore, purchase of raw material we have discussed. Next one, direct wages. Direct wages. It may be machine operator salary. Think about mobile phone manufacturing business, also available employees. All the manufacturing business employees available. Machine operators available. Therefore, machine operator salary should be included under direct wages. Therefore, direct wages it has given 6,200,000. Direct wages also part of prime cost. If it has considered tick mark, therefore that value should be included under raw material consume 6,200,000 as a direct wages under raw material consume here. First one, try to recognize how to prepare manufacturing accounts. By preparing manufacturing account, we are going to calculate total production cost. Think where we have to adjust each and every item. Next one, it has given carriage inwards 96,000. Carriage inwards should be included under raw material purchase. Carriage inwards should be included under raw material purchase 96,000. Then record in the manufacturing accounts. This is a carriage inwards under raw material purchase here. Value equal 96,000. Values it has given 1,000. Carriage inward also part of purchase. Loading, unloading, import duty should be included under purchase. Not production overheads. Those are should be included under raw material. Next one. Therefore, carriage inwards consider. Next one, cost of producing designing. Designing cost also direct other expense. Designing cost, direct other expense should be included under raw material consumed. Design in cost, also direct cost, part of prime cost, direct other expense, cost of designing 3 million, that value should be included under raw material consumed. Under raw material consumed, design in cost also here, value equal 3 million. Think about direct other expense, direct wages and direct other expense. We are going to calculate prime cost. Next one, and factory rent. Factory rent, part of production overheads. Rent expense not directly effect for production process, but effect directly not involved in the production process. Factory rents, but it is also part of production cost. Therefore, that value should be included under production overheads. Factory rent value equal 290,000. That value should be included under production overheads. Production overheads 290,000 as a factory rent. Record it under production overheads as a factory rent under production overheads 290,000. Factory rent expense, production overheads value should be included first column. Next one, think about royalty paid. Royalty paid. Royalty paid direct other expense. Therefore, part of prime cost. Therefore, royalty paid should be included under raw material consumed. Under raw material consumed. This is a direct other expense. If it has considered tick mark, royalty paid, part of direct cost, 1,800,000. Record under raw material consumed, direct wages, then design in cost, as well as royalty, also direct cost. Therefore, should be included here. Royalty paid value equal 1.8 million. It has given values in 1000. It has given values in 1000. Next one, and given sales 32 million. Sales should be included income statement. Sales value should be included last column. Sales 32 million. If it has considered tick mark, sales 32 million. Record income statement. Think about income statement also. Manufacturing account also part of income statement. Sales value should be included last column 32 million. Sales. First one, try to calculate total production cost. And factory electricity, factory supervision, indirect material, then depreciation of machinery, as well as factory manager salary and repair cost of factory building. Think about it. Those are called production overhead. Effect for production process, but not directly. Overhead cost. Those are should be included under production overheads. Factory electricity value equal 465,000 and factory supervision equal 70,000. Indirect material equal 320,000 and depreciation of machinery as well as factory manager salary and repair cost of factory building. All are production overheads, should be included in the production overheads. Therefore, those values should be included under production overheads. Therefore, record it under production overheads. Under production overheads. Production overheads. Factory electricity, factory supervision, and indirect material, depreciation of machinery, and factory manager salary, as well as repair cost of factory building, production of it. Then those are the information given directly. Right now, this one okay. All the thing consider, overhead also recorded. Now think about additional information one. From the beginning, you have to calculate total production cost fully completed. Additional first one, it has given closing stock, raw material as well as work in progress, but not given finished goods. Finished goods closing balance is not given. It should be calculated. All the closing stock should be deducted. Rupee value is given, but manufacturing account prepare values in 1000. Therefore, 30 can be cut. Therefore, 62,000 and 74,000. Raw material should be deducted under raw material consumed, as well as work in progress should be adjusted after adding production of it. Closing stock should be deducted based on machine concepts. Machine. Think about, we have discussed cost of sales calculation. Under cost of sales calculation, as a closing stock finished goods, and under raw material consumed, raw material should be deducted, and work in progress also should be included in the manufacturing accounts. Think about, there are two types of inventory should be included in manufacturing account, but finished goods closing stock should be included in the cost of sales calculation. Raw material and work in progress. Closing stock should be deducted 62,000, as well as work in progress 74,000. First one, think about raw material, 62,000 closing stock. This value should be deducted. Closing stock, raw material. Therefore, this is the, here should be adjusted. Raw material closing stock. Raw material closing stock. Raw material stock closing balance should be deducted within brackets. Should be include last column 62,000. Here opening stock should be include second column. This one, this value 52,000 should be include second column. Therefore, this one remove here. Think about closing raw material should be deducted. Closing raw material. Opening and closing inventory should be include second column. This is raw material, and given work in progress also. Think about closing work in progress should be adjusted here. All the closing stock should be deducted. Think about answer. Closing raw material, closing work in progress. Given 31st March 20, that is a closing. Work in progress value equals 74,000. Therefore, 74,000 closing stock. Work in progress, that value should be deducted. Under, after adding production of it, 74,000. Think where we have to adjust production of it. Therefore, 74,000 deduct here. 74,000 deduct. Work in progress. Right. Next one, additional second one. Additional first one, it has given closing stock. First one we have discussed. Second one, read carefully. 2,000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory. ඔන්න මෙතනින් එහා තමයි ටිකක් අමාරු ගානේ. 2,000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory. Think about it. Mobile phone is a finished goods. Therefore, finished goods stolen or damaged stock should be adjusted in the income statement, not manufacturing accounts. 2,000 mean quantity. 2,000 mobile phone. Its value should be calculated. Therefore, its value can be calculated after calculating production cost per unit. Therefore, this one cannot be adjusted before calculate production cost. Therefore, that part I will discuss later. Think about 2,000 mobile phone. That is a quantity. but value should be recorded based on money measurement concepts. Other physical measurement cannot be used, quantity cannot be disclosed. And second part, think about 35 million worth of raw material. Raw material was destroyed by fire during the month. This one should be month. It has given information only 1 month. Therefore, this one should be month. Therefore, second part, think about 35 million worth of raw material was destroyed by fire during the month. Therefore, this is the raw material. Destroy, that is a damage stock. Due to fire, that value should be adjusted in the manufacturing counts. That is a damage stock, raw material. If it has given damage stock, those are not used for production. Damage වෙලා කියන්නේ production එකට use කරලා නැහැ. මේ damage වෙන මොනවද මේ? Purchase damage. Therefore should be deduct. Reason, those are not used for production. We are going to calculate raw material consumed for production. Raw material used for production we have to calculate. Therefore, out of raw material purchase, 35,000 worth of raw material was damaged. Therefore, raw material damage, if it is given, should be deduct under raw material. 35 million. Take values in 1000. 30 can be cut. Value equal 35,000. Therefore, 35,000 should be deduct under raw material as a damage stock. Record it. Think what? Raw material here, damage stock here. Damage raw material is stock. Second column, value should be deduct 35 million. Therefore, values in 1000 equal 35,000. Think what? Second one, there are two parts available. 2000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory. That is one part. Mobile phone is finished goods. 2000 mobile phone is a quantity. Value should be recorded. It should be recorded where? In the income statement here. Under cost of sales calculation. As a stolen mobile phone. Stolen. It is like a damaged stock finished goods. Therefore, finished goods stolen or damaged cannot be recorded in the manufacturing accounts. That value should be recorded here, but value cannot be calculated. Therefore, here minus stolen mobile phone. Stolen mobile phone. Stolen mobile phone. This is a manufacturing mobile phone manufacturing business. Stolen mobile phone, it is like a damaged stock. Value should be deduct here, not quantity. Value cannot be calculated yet. It can be calculated after calculating production cost per unit. Finished goods damage do not ඒවා යන්නේ cost of sales calculation වලට. Cannot be included manufacturing accounts. Right, next one. Additional third one and fourth one, think about. Third one, it is given there were 45,000 mobile phone in stock as at 31st March 20. Mobile phone is a finished goods. Closing quantity is given, not given value. These were 45,000 mobile phone in stock. Therefore, this is the closing finished goods. Quantity is given, its value should be calculated. As well as fourth one, during the month, 290,000 mobile phone were sold, which is included opening finished goods stock 37,000 mobile phone. Opening mobile phone, it has given quantity 37,000. It has also sold during the country period. Total sales equal during the month 290,000, and it is included opening finished goods also. Therefore, opening finished goods during the country period sold. Therefore, third one and fourth one relevant for production quantity calculation. It has not given value. Therefore, production quantity should be calculated. After that, production cost per unit can be calculated. After that, closing stock value as well as stolen value can be calculated. Therefore, those are not relevant for production cost per cost calculation. Therefore, those are not relevant for manufacturing accounts. It is relevant for production quantity calculation. Production quantity. කීයක් හැදුවද කියලා හොයාගන්න තමයි මේවා අපිට අදාළ වෙන්නේ. Right, that part I will discuss later. Right now, all the related information for manufacturing account we have discussed. After that, you have to calculate total production cost. Then production quantity should be calculated. When we are going to calculate production quantity, we have to consider those kind of information also. But those are cannot be recorded in the manufacturing accounts. Given quantity value should be calculated. Right now, all the information relevant for manufacturing account we have discussed. Now complete manufacturing accounts. Try to calculate total production cost. Complete manufacturing accounts and try to calculate total production cost. From the beginning, total production cost should be calculated. Total production cost. All the given information we have recorded. That here loading unloading cost is not given. Import duty not available, as well as purchase return also not given. It is not given. Therefore, remove. In this example, not given. Or record zeros. Carriage inwards available, but loading unloading cost it is not given. Import duty also not available. Import duty also not available, and purchase return also not given. Then take total value here, second column. This one plus this one, take answer. The value equal 11,596,000. Think about this is a mobile phone manufacturing business. There are big value mobile phone manufacturing business. Then this one plus this one, take answer here. Try to complete manufacturing account from the beginning. This one plus this one, take answer. 52,000 plus 11,596,000, take the answer. Equal 11,648,000. Then deduct damaged stock raw material as well as raw material closing stock. Answer is raw material consumed. Answer raw material consumed. Take the answer. This one minus this one minus this one, take answer. That is a raw material consumed. Therefore, raw material consumed, it means raw material used for production. Raw material used for production. This is a raw material used during the current period. Think about this is a raw material available for production. Available during the current period for production, this value, but damaged stock if available and closing stock deduct. Damage will use karna. Therefore, this is a raw material used for production during the current period. And take direct cost, direct wages, then designing cost and royalty. Take total value, second column. After that, prime cost can be calculated. Prime cost. Therefore, 6,200,000, then 3,000,000, 1,800,000. Take total value. Therefore, direct expense equal 11 million. Then this one plus this one, take answer here. This one plus this one, take answer here. Then that is a prime cost. Take total amounts. Prime cost. Therefore, this one plus this one, take answer. That is a prime cost. Therefore, prime cost equal 22,551,000. Try to recognize how to prepare manufacturing accounts and think what is the reason we have to prepare manufacturing accounts. Where we have to prepare manufacturing accounts. If there is a manufacturing business, we have to prepare. What is the purpose? to calculate total production cost, then this is where you have to calculate prime cost. Then take the total overheads also. Total overhead, take total amounts. Production overheads. Take total value second column. 290,000 plus 465,000 plus 70,000, 320,000, 92,000, 135,000 as well as 55,000. Production overheads, take it total value equal 1,427,000. This is a production overhead cost. Non-production overhead cannot be included here. Non-production overhead should be included in income statement. This is a production overheads. Then prime cost plus production overheads. Now this one plus this one not deduct. This is a cost, not profit calculation. Therefore prime cost dan godak lamai karana මේක deduct කරනවා. වැරදි. Should be at. We are going to calculate total cost. Prime cost plus production overheads. Take the answers. Therefore 22,551,000 plus 1,427,000. Take the answer. Therefore here will be equal to 23,978,000. Then adjust work in progress. Opening plus closing deduct. Take here net value 96,000 plus minus 74,000. Therefore here net impact equal 22,000 plus. Now take the total value, that is the total production cost. Think how to prepare manufacturing accounts, how to calculate total production cost fully completed. Therefore this one plus this one, take answer here 23,978 plus 22,000. Therefore here answer equal 24 million. This is the total production cost. Think about manufacturing business. This is the total production cost fully completed during the current period. Now you have to calculate production cost per unit. This is a mobile phone manufacturing business. Mobile phone manufacturing business. Now total production cost should be included in income statement. Now think about relationship between manufacturing accounts as well as income statement. Total production cost should be included under cost of sales calculation. This value 24 million should be included here. Production cost 24 million. Right, then sales return is not given. Now you have to calculate stolen mobile phone available as well as closing inventory should be calculated. Value is not given, but given quantity. 2,000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory as well as it has given 45,000 mobile phone available as at 31st March 20 as is stock. Quantity is given, but based on money measurement concept, value should be calculated. Now before calculate value, you have to calculate production cost per unit. This is the total production cost fully completed. Therefore based on this value, this is the total production cost divided by production quantity. Production cost per unit can be calculated. Therefore now from the beginning you have to calculate production cost per unit. Total production cost we know and divided by production quantity. Production quantity also we have to calculate. Right now we have to calculate gross profit. We have to calculate closing stock value. Stolen value we have to calculate. But before that, production cost per unit should be calculated. Production cost per units. Right. Now how to calculate production cost per unit? This is the equation. Production cost per unit equal total production cost divided by production quantity. This is equation. We are going to calculate closing inventory value and stolen value. Before that, you have to calculate production cost per unit. Therefore, now I am going to discuss how to calculate production cost per unit. This is equation. Production cost per unit equal total production cost divided by production quantity. Therefore, total production cost divided by production quantity. Production cost per unit. Production cost per unit equal total production cost divided by production quantity. Total production cost divided by production quantity, production cost per unit can be calculated. We know total production cost, but production quantity is not given. Therefore, from the beginning, you have to know how to calculate production quantity. From the beginning, we have to calculate production cost per unit. After that, closing stock value can be calculated, stolen value can be calculated. Right, production quantity also not given. Now think about additional information. Now see the additional information. Think about here. It is given 2000 mobile phone were stolen from the factory. As well as it is given closing stock. These were 45,000 mobile phone in stock as at 31st March 20. දැන් අපි මේ යන්නේ කීයක් හදලාද කියලා බලන්න යන්නේ. Production quantity. Before calculate production cost per unit, you have to calculate production quantity. We are going to calculate how much produced during the month of March. මේ මාස කීයක් හදලාද කියලා හොයාගන්න මේ යන්නේ අපි දැන්. It has given 2000 mobile phone were stolen. For that also we have to produce. අපි හැදුවේ නැත්නම් මේගොල්ලන්ට අරයි යන්න බෑ. Therefore 2000. ඒකට අපි හදලා තියෙන්නත් ඕන. And closing stock it has given. These were 45,000 mobile phone in stock as at 31st March 20. That is a closing stock. For that also we have to produce. And sales it has given during the month 290,000. විකුණන්න for sales also we have to produce. හැදුවේ නැත්නම් විකුණන්න බෑනේ බලන්න. For sales we have to produce. For closing stock we have to produce. And for stolen we have to produce. As well as it is given opening finished goods available 37,000. එහෙනම් opening තියෙන නිසා අපි ඔක්කොම හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Opening stock can be used for that. Think about for sales we have to produce. For closing stock we have to produce. For stolen we have to produce. But opening stock available, opening finished goods available, it can be used for that. Therefore, think how much production quantity. Production quantity think about during the current period. This is the way you have to calculate production quantity. Think about very important. ඔන්න මේ ගාන තියෙන අමාරුම part එක තමයි මේක. Production quantity you have to calculate. Production quantity. Think about this workings. For sales we have to produce. For closing stock we have to produce. For stolen we have to produce. Think about required quantity during the current period. Here quantity, mobile phone. Mobile phone quantity. Mobile phone quantity, units. Right, we are going to calculate production quantity. We are going to calculate production quantity. It has given sales. For sales we have to produce. For sales we have to produce 290,000 mobile phone. අපි හැදුවේ නැත්තම් විකුණන්න බෑ. ඔන්න බලන්න production quantity හොයන විදිය. This is important thing in this example. For sales we have to produce 290,000 as well as for closing stock අන්තිමේට මෙච්චරක් ඉතුරු වෙන්නත් ඕන. We have to produce. Therefore for closing stock we are going to calculate production quantity. අපි මේ යන්නේ මේ මාසේ mobile phone කීයක් හදන්න ඇද්ද කියලා බලන්න යන්නේ. It has not given clearly but given sales. විකුණන්න බෑ හැදුවේ නැත්තම්. For sales we have to produce and ඉතුරු කරගන්න බෑ හැදුවේ නැත්තම්. For closing stock we have to produce 45,000. For closing stock also we have to produce. අන්තිමේට ඉතුරු වෙන නම් අපි හදලා තියෙන්න ඕන. We are going to calculate production quantity. And next one, it has given 2,000 mobile phone were stolen. For stolen එහෙනම් එහෙම කරන්නත් අපි ගාව තියෙන්න එපේ. හැදුවේ නැත්නම් අරයි යන්න බෑනේ. Therefore for stolen we have to produce 2,000. For stolen we have to produce 2,000. This is a required quantity during the month of March. මෙච්චරක් අපිට ඕන ඔක්කොම. Think about here total value. This is a required quantity. Required quantity. Required quantity. Required quantity during the quantity period. Take total value. Required quantity for sales, for closing stock, for stolen. Take the total value. Here total value equal 290,000. Think we are going to calculate total production quantity. Production quantity කීයක් හදන්න ඇද්ද කියලා මේ හොයන්න යන්න අපි. Then take total value 337,000. We have to produce during the quantity period. This is a requirements. මෙච්චරක් අපි ගාව තියෙන්න ඕන කොහමරි. For sales, for closing stock, for stolen. But think about it as given opening stock available. Opening finished goods available 37,000 quantity. Think about it. Therefore this one can be used for that. මේක අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් විකුණන්න. It has already given here during the month 290,000 mobile phones were sold, which included opening finished goods. Therefore opening finished goods 37,000 available. It can be used. මෙච්චරක් අපිට ඕන මේ අවුරුද්ද. For sales, for closing stock, for stolen. නම් මෙච්චරක් තියෙන්න ඕන කොහමරි. But opening stock available 37,000. It can be used for that. Therefore minus opening finished goods. Think what we are going to calculate production quantity. Minus opening finished goods quantity. Opening finished goods quantity. Opening finished goods. Opening finished goods quantity. Opening finished goods quantity 37,000 deduct. Reason it can be used. Then think about production quantity. Now production quantity can be calculated. එහෙනම් අපි හදන්න ඕන ගාන ඔන්න එනවා බලන්න. It has not given directly. This is a requirement. But opening finished goods available, it can be used. Therefore this is the production. හදපු ගාන එනවා බලන්න. Production quantity. Production quantity. Production quantity. Production quantity equal 300,000. Therefore, during the count period, 300,000 mobile phone produced. This is a production quantity. Now production cost per unit can be calculated. After that, closing stock value, stolen value should be calculated. Right now, try to calculate production cost per unit. Think what equation? Production cost per unit equal total production cost divided by production quantity. Now we know production quantity. It has not given. By using given information calculated. Now production cost per unit can be calculated. Production cost per unit equal total production cost divided by production quantity. Total production cost available in the manufacturing accounts. Now try to calculate production cost per unit. Total production cost available in the manufacturing accounts. Total production cost, see the manufacturing accounts. Total production cost available in the manufacturing accounts. Total production cost equal 24 million. 24 million, this is a value in 1000. Therefore, take more 30. Rupee value should be calculated now. Production cost per unit. Production quantity equal 300,000. This is a mobile phone manufacturing business. And total production cost equal 24 million. This is a value in 1000. 3 more 0. Therefore, total production cost. Try to calculate production cost per unit. 24 million. And take more 30. Reason manufacturing account prepare values in 1000. Therefore, this is the total production cost. This is a mobile phone manufacturing business. Think what practically these kind of value available. Right, then divide by production quantity equal 300. Production quantity equal 300. Then can be calculated production cost per mobile phone. Take the answer. Production cost per mobile phone. Production cost per mobile phone. Take the answer. Therefore, here value equal rupees 80,000. Think what mobile phone. Production cost equal rupees 80,000. After that, by using profit markup and margin, selling price also can be calculated. This is a production cost per mobile phone, rupees 80,000. After that, by adding profit markup or by adding profit margin, selling price also can be calculated. Think very important. Think how to calculate total production cost. 24 million, it has given values in 1000. Therefore, take 3 more 0. And this is a production quantity. This is a production cost per unit. Now try to calculate stolen value. Stolen value as well as closing stock value. It has given 200 mobile phone were stolen. 2,000 mobile phone were stolen. Therefore, now value should be recorded. Try to calculate stolen value as well as closing stock value. Stolen value should be calculated. It has given 2,000 mobile phone were stolen and production cost per unit equal 8,000. Therefore, this is the stolen value. Mobile phone is a finished goods, should be recorded in the income statement under cost of sales calculation. As well as closing stock value, closing stock value also should be calculated. Closing stock, closing finished goods, closing stock finished goods. It is given closing stock mobile phone. Closing stock also given mobile phone 45,000. Quantity is given, but value should be recorded. Therefore, it value also should be calculated. Think what? From the beginning, production cost per unit calculate. After that, based on production cost per unit, you have to calculate closing inventory as well as stolen value should be calculated. Take the values. Closing stock, mobile phone mean finished goods. Closing stock within bracket finished goods. Closing stock mobile phone it is given 45,000 into cost per production cost penalty equal 80,000. Then take the value. Therefore, stolen value can be calculated. Stolen value can be calculated. Take the rupee value. Take the rupee value. This is the rupee value. Record values in 1000. And take here also value. Therefore, here 3,600,000 and more 30. But this is a rupee value. 30 can be cut. Think about manufacturing and prepare values in 1000. This is a stolen value and this is a closing stock value. Then should be recorded stolen finished goods, mobile phone. Finished goods should be as income statement, not manufacturing accounts. Think what quantity is given, but value should be recorded. Therefore, 160,000 values in 1000 and closing stock 3,600,000 values in 1000. 30 can be cut. Then records stolen mobile phone is a finished goods. Those are notified for manufacturing accounts should be recorded income statement. Stolen mobile phone within brackets. Value equal stolen 160,000. Stolen value equal 160,000. Think where we have to adjust 160,000. Stolen mobile phone. Mobile phone is a finished goods. Finished goods available income statement. And closing stock also here deduct. Closing stock value equal 3,600,000. Value it has calculated. This is a closing stock value, finished goods. And this is a stolen value. Right now, income statement also can be complete. Sales return is not given. Then try to calculate correct sales value. Sales return 0. Then correct sales value can be calculated. Try to compute income statement. Gross profit now can be calculated. Gross profit now can be calculated. Therefore, correct sales value equal 32 million. And this one plus this one take answer here. Then deduct this one. Take answer within brackets. Take answer within brackets. Therefore, this one plus this one take answer here. This one plus this one. Try to calculate gross profit also. Think what manufacturing and trading business. Mobile phone manufacturing business. Right, take answer here. This one plus this one. 2,405,000 plus 24 million. Therefore, take total value first column 26,405,000. Then deduct those value. Answer is a cost of sales within bracket second column. From this value deduct this one 160,000 as well as 3,600,000. Therefore, cost of sales equal 22,645,000. Now sales we know, cost of sales also we know. Therefore, gross profit can be calculated. Sales minus cost of sales. Take the answer. Sales correct value equal 32 million minus cost of sales equal 22,645. Therefore, here difference value, that is a gross profit, 909,355,000. Therefore, this is the gross profit. Think how to prepare manufacturing accounts. If there are manufacturing business, we have to provide information about manufacturing cost, so that we have to prepare manufacturing accounts. Think how to calculate total production cost. How to calculate, think about raw material consumed and direct expenses, direct wages and direct other expense. Think how to calculate prime cost. And production overhead should be added. As well as work in progress also we have to adjust. Then total production cost can be calculated. Total production cost should be included income statement under cost of sales calculation. Try to recognize relationship between income statement and manufacturing accounts. Total production cost thing where we have to adjust. After that, gross profit normally can be calculated. If it is given finished goods, damaged stock, stolen, donation, drawings, finished goods should be recorded here. Finished goods, its value should be recorded, but in this example, it has given quantity. Quantity, based on quantity, you have to calculate value also. And in this example, very important, production quantity is not given. Think about additional information. It has not given production quantity. Therefore, think how to calculate total production quantity. 2000 mobile phone was stolen and closing stock quantity also given, sales quantity also given, as well as opening inventory used for that. Think about how to calculate production quantity, very important. For sales we have to produce, for closing stock we have to produce, for stolen we have to produce. Therefore, this is a required quantity during the month of March. But often stock available, it can be used. Therefore, this is the production quantity. Total production cost already calculated. It is available in the manufacturing accounts. Then production cost per unit can be calculated. This is a production cost per mobile phone. By using production cost per unit, stolen value, closing stock value, based on money measurement concept, value should be recorded. Value. Right. This is the way we have to prepare manufacturing account question number 7. දැන් මම ක්‍රම 3කට ගණන් හදුවා බලන්න. Question number first one think about, and question number 5 think about, and question number 7. Manufacturing accounts. There are more manufacturing business available in Sri Lanka. 3 type of business available. Separate lesson, manufacturing accounts. Definitely they ask paper. By doing manufacturing account, we are going to calculate, we are going to provide information about total production cost fully completed. First one thing, why we have to prepare manufacturing accounts? To calculate total production cost. Therefore, total production cost included raw material and direct labor cost, direct wages, direct other expense, as well as production overheads. Think about manufacturing business, garment factory, think about. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ exam ඉවරලා අන්තිමට job එකට යන්නේ garment factory එකේ accountant කෙනෙක් විදියට නම් you have to know how to prepare manufacturing accounts. Manufacturing accounts. එතන sell කරන්නේ නැහැ බන්න. In the factory, you have to calculate total production cost. That's not trading business. Right, then manufacturing account lesson 7. Right, now think about this example. In the MCQ paper, it has given like this question. Think about this example. MCQ paper, we can see like this question. MCQ paper. Think about this one. MCQ paper has given like this question. Let's see the question number 1, this one. They ask like this. In the MCQ paper, they ask like this question. Here date should be 2020. Think about this one. First one, read carefully. They ask in the MCQ paper. If it has given MCQ paper, no need to prepare manufacturing account. Just think how to calculate. First one, read carefully. MCQ paper, it has given like that. First one, read and get idea. And think about requirement also. MCQ paper, there are 50 questions available. In the A-level paper, there are 50 MCQ questions available. Think how to answer. You have to practice. This is the way they ask in the paper. Manufacturing accounts. Think about each and every business. Each and every business, each and every organization, each and every transaction. Think how to disclose, how to provide, how to record. Think about this is the manufacturing accounts. Manufacturing account question relevant for MCQ. Right, following information given relation to manufacturing organization for the month of December 2020. Only 1 month information. For the month of December 2020. Raw material purchase is given. Think about in the manufacturing cost. In the manufacturing cost as raw material, you have to include raw material consumed. But this is a raw material purchase. Opening and closing inventory should be adjusted. Direct labor cost is given. It is equal direct wages. Direct other expense. This one direct other expense. It may be royalty cost. It may be designing cost. Direct other expense it is given. And production overhead also given. Production overheads. And it is given inventory. Think about this one, 30th November 2020. 30th November mean previous month closing balance became this month opening balance. Think about 30th November. 30th November mean November closing balance became December opening balance. This is the opening balance. And this is a closing balance. It has given only 1 month information. November, 30th November. Closing inventory November. November closing inventory became a December opening inventory. It has given information month of December. This is opening inventory and this is a closing stock. Raw material, you have to adjust when we are going to calculate raw material consumed. And work in progress should be adjusted when we are going to calculate total production cost. And finished goods we have to adjust when we are going to calculate cost of sales. Cost of sales. And assume that inventory work in progress is adjusted cost of production. We know how to adjust work in progress. And given manufacturing item are sold, keeping profit markup 40% on cost of sales. Markup and margin. Also, I have discussed. Now see the requirement. First one, prime cost they ask. Prime cost. Cost of production they ask. Cost of sales they ask. Gross profit they ask. They don't ask manufacturing accounts. No need to prepare manufacturing accounts. Just think about raw material. As a raw material, you have to consider raw material consumed. Then direct labor, direct other expense, also prime cost. Prime cost. Direct material, direct labor, direct other expense. Think about manufacturing accounts. Raw material also you have to adjust opening plus closing deduct. Always opening stock plus closing deduct. Therefore, this is the way you have to calculate. Now think how to calculate. Prepare working like that. No need to prepare manufacturing accounts. Just calculate. Prepare working like this. It has given raw material as well as opening closing stock also given. Opening and closing stock. First one, think about raw material. As a raw material, you have to consider raw material consumed. When we are going to calculate production cost, as a raw material, you have to consider raw material consumed. But here it has given raw material purchase. Think about how to calculate raw material consumed. You have to adjust raw material inventory. Therefore, here, not raw material purchase, we have to consider raw material consumed. Therefore, raw material consumed. Raw material consumed. How to calculate? It has given purchase. Raw material purchase. Think about first one, there's prime cost. Raw material purchase available. Then adjust inventory. Raw material inventory you have to adjust. 36,000 is a raw material purchase. හොඳට බලන්න. Raw material purchase is given. And it has given raw material inventory. In the manufacturing cost as a raw material, you have to consider raw material consumed. Now think based on raw material purchase, how to calculate raw material consumed. Opening inventory should be at closing deduct raw material. And think about purchase. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Therefore, opening stock plus opening stock minus closing stock. This is opening raw material and this is closing raw material. Opening plus closing deduct. On MCQ paper ke hadana vidhiya. No need to prepare manufacturing accounts. MCQ paper ke manufacturing account hada දෙන්න වෙලාවක් නැහැ අපිට. Think about raw material consumed. Raw material purchase is given. Adjust raw material inventory. How to adjust? Opening inventory plus closing inventory deduct. Purchase it has given raw material. Then plus opening inventory minus closing inventory. Therefore, take the answer. That is raw material consumed. Raw material consumed. Therefore, this one plus this one minus. Therefore, here answer equal 32,000. That is a value should be considered as a raw material. Think about not purchase. Raw material consumed should be considered as a manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost as a raw material included raw material consumed. Opening inventory plus closing inventory deduct. Then direct labor, direct other expense also part of prime cost. Take direct labor and direct other expense. Direct labor and direct other expense. Also part of prime cost. Direct labor cost equal 13,000. As well as direct other expense equal 7,000. Direct labor and direct other expense part of prime cost. Therefore, this is a prime cost. Answer is a prime cost. Answer is a prime cost. Think about important raw material. As a raw material here should be included, not purchase. Raw material consumed. How to calculate? Inventory. Raw material inventory also should be adjusted. How to adjust? Opening plus closing deduct. Then take the answer, prime cost. This is a prime cost. Take total value. 32,000 plus 13,000 plus 7,000. Therefore, here total amount equal 52,000. Prime cost. Think about as a raw material we have to consider not purchase, consumed. How to calculate consumed? Purchase available, then adjust raw material inventory, opening plus closing deduct. Now there's cost of production, then prime cost plus production overheads. And given production overheads, production overhead equal 11,000. Production overhead should be added. Production overhead should be added. It has given production overhead 11,000. Should be included here. 11,000 production overheads. Then answer is a production cost. Prime cost plus production overhead equal production cost. Take the answer. But it has given work in progress also. We have to adjust work in progress also here. Production overhead should be added. As well as you have to adjust work in progress. Think about work in progress. Opening plus closing deduct. Therefore, work in progress also should be adjusted before calculate production cost. Work in progress also given here. Think about here work in progress. Opening value equal 5,000. Closing balance equal 3,000. Inventory always opening balance should be added. Closing balance should be deducted. Therefore, opening inventory equal 5,000. Closing inventory equal 3,000. Opening inventory should be added and closing inventory should be deducted. Therefore, plus opening balance plus opening 5,000 and minus 3,000. Opening inventory plus closing inventory minus. Opening plus closing deduct. Therefore, take the answer here. Net impact equal plus 2,000. Therefore, 2,000 plus. Think about prime cost plus production overheads. Then adjust work in progress also. Work in progress. Then take the answer. That is the production cost. Think MCQ paper it has given like this. MCQ paper. Now can be calculate production cost. Take the answer. Think about raw material. As raw material, we have to consider raw material consumed. And direct labor, direct other expense part of prime cost. Then prime cost can be calculated. Then production cost, how to calculate? Prime cost plus production overhead. Then adjust work in progress also. Opening plus closing deduct. Then answer is a total production cost. This is the total production cost. Total production cost. This one plus this one plus this one, take answer. 52,000 plus 11,000 and plus 2,000. Therefore, 65,000. That is a total production cost. Total production cost equals 65,000. Then this is a part B, cost of production. And first one there's prime cost. Write the answer. Prime cost equal 52,000. It has given information values in 1000. Therefore, rupee value we have to write and take more 30. Therefore, more 30. This is prime cost. Here it has given values 1000. And second one there's cost of production. Therefore, cost of production equals 65 million. Therefore, cost of production. Production overhead also should be added. Therefore, take more 30. Therefore, this is the cost of production. Next one, there's cost of sales. Think about production cost should be included under cost of sales calculation. Production cost should be included under cost of sales calculation. Think about opening inventory plus production cost minus closing inventory equal cost of sales. Think about manufacturing accounts. We have discussed already. Think about this example. Manufacturing account we have discussed already. Think about cost of sales calculation in this example. Opening stock. This is finished goods. Opening stock plus manufacturing cost minus closing finished goods equal cost of sales. Therefore, now cost of sales can be calculated. Think about in this example. Think about this example. Production cost we know now. Then adjust finished goods. Think about production cost being put under cost of sales calculation. Then opening stock plus production cost minus closing stock equal cost of sales. Then adjust finished goods here. Adjust finished goods can be calculated cost of sales. Therefore, finished goods it has given opening 3000, closing 8000. Therefore, production cost that value should be included under cost of sales calculation. Then adjust finished goods. Therefore, can be calculated cost of sales. Therefore, here adjust finished goods. Finished goods. How to adjust? Opening plus closing deduct. Always inventory, opening inventory plus closing inventory deduct. Think about finished goods opening inventory value equal 3000 and closing inventory value equal 8000. Therefore, opening plus closing deduct 3000 plus 8000 deduct under cost of sales calculation. Therefore, 3000 plus opening inventory. Opening inventory should be at always not only finished goods, work in progress, raw material also same way. And closing inventory is given 8000. Opening plus closing deduct then can be calculated cost of sales. Then take the answers. Think about opening closing stock finished goods. Opening plus closing deduct. Opening plus 3000 plus 8000 deduct. Therefore, net impact here 5000 minus. Net impact 5000 minus. Therefore, here within brackets 5000. Think about finished goods. Then answer is cost of sales. Answer is cost of sales. Think about MCQ paper. දෙපාරක් තුන් පාරක් මේ ගාන හදලා තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න. This is the way they ask in the MCQ paper, in the A-level paper. Therefore, answer is a cost of sales. Answer is a cost of sales. Take answer. Therefore, cost of sales equal 60,000. Cost of sales equal 60,000. Therefore, here answer equal 60,000. 60,000. Therefore, cost of sales. Cost of sales equals 60,000. Now think about gross profit. It has given profit markup and margin I have discussed. It has given manufacturing item are sold. Keep in profit markup of 40% on cost of sales. Now cost of sales we know. Profit markup is given 40%. Therefore, based on this value, 40% profit. Think about markup and margin also. Profit markup, think about this is general equation. General equation cost plus profit equals selling price. Markup and margin. Definitely they ask in the paper. This is the general equation. Cost plus profit equals selling price. This is the way business going to determine selling price. Cost plus profit equals selling price. Think about this equation. Cost plus profit equal selling price. Cost plus profit equal selling price. Think about they ask gross profit also. This is the general equation. Cost plus profit equal selling price. Now think about profit markup is given. Profit markup is given 40% on cost of sales. Cost of sales means cost value. Profit equal 40. Therefore, profit equal 40. Profit equal 40. And given markup, if it is markup, cost value 100. If cost value 100, profit equal 40. Then think about selling price equal how much? This is a markup. Markup in profit decided based on cost value. Therefore, profit it has given 40%. If it is markup, cost value 100. Therefore, selling price equal 140. Now think about what is the requirement. They ask gross profit. They ask gross profit. How to calculate gross profit? Think about based on those information. Sometimes they are selling price. Sometimes they ask gross profit. Right? Calculate both. If they ask selling price, think about first one selling price. If they ask selling price, this is a way. If they ask selling price, think about when cost value 100, selling price equal 140. We know now cost value. Cost value equal cost of sales. Therefore, cost of sales equal 60,000. Therefore, 60,000 divided by 100 into 140. That is the selling price. But in this example, they ask gross profit. I am going to calculate both. First one, think about selling price. 60,000 divided by 100 into 140. We know cost value. Cost of sales mean cost value. Therefore, when cost value 100, selling price equal 140. Therefore, think about selling price. Therefore, 60,000 divided by 100 into 140. Therefore, 60,000 divided by 100 into 140. This is the way you have to calculate selling price. If they are selling price, this is the way. If they are selling price, this is the way you have to calculate. Take the answer. But in this example, they ask gross profit. Therefore, think about 60,000 equal cost value. When cost value 100, selling price equal 140. If it is markup, cost value 100. Markup margin, try to recognize. Markup and margin. When cost value 100, selling price equal 140. Therefore, think about 60,000 cost value. Therefore, this one divided by 100 into 140 equal selling price. Therefore, here selling price equal, take the value, divided by 100 into 140. Therefore, selling price equal 84,000. If they are selling price. But in this example, they ask not selling price, they ask gross profit. Think how to calculate gross profit. Gross profit. If they ask gross profit, think about cost value we know, profit equal 40%. Therefore, 60,000 divided by 100 into 40. That is a gross profit. Therefore, 60,000 cost value. Therefore, cost value equal in this example 100 divided by 100. They ask profit. Profit equal 40. Sometimes they ask selling price. Sometimes they ask gross profit. Therefore, gross profit equal 24,000. Think about by using markup. Therefore, this is a requirement. They ask gross profit. It is equal 24,000. If they are selling price 84,000. Therefore, here gross profit equal 24,000. Where we equal 24,000. Gross profit equal 24,000. Therefore, this one 24. Think about MCQ paper. It has not given all the information. Not given all the information. Think about how to calculate prime cost. Raw material purchase is given. Then තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ තමයි in the manufacturing cost as raw material you have to include raw material consumed. How to calculate? Opening closing raw material inventory should be adjusted to the raw material purchase. Raw material purchase වලට raw material inventory adjust කරන්න ඕන. How to adjust? Opening plus closing deduct. Then think about direct labor, direct other expense, and think how to calculate prime cost. Then there's total production cost. Production overhead should be adjusted as well as work in progress. Always inventory opening plus closing deduct. Then production cost. Production cost should be included in the cost of sales calculation. Then adjust finished goods. Cost of sales also can be calculated. Now think about profit markup. If it is markup, cost value 100. Sometimes it is given profit margin. If it is margin, selling price 100. Selling price. Therefore, manufacturing accounts. Manufacturing accounts. That this is a lesson 7. We have been discussing manufacturing accounts. Lesson 7. By preparing manufacturing account, we are going to calculate total production cost. Right. I have discussed there are 3 examples. 3 examples I have discussed. Question number 7. Think about. And question number 8 homework. Make a gathering hadanna. Same information, only numbers change. Like question number 7. Question number 7. Only numbers change. මේවා හදලා බලන්න හදන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා. right ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා අහන්න බලන්න. Error correction, some example as well as MCQ papers also I will discuss. MCQ papers as well as sole proprietorship with manufacturing account also I will discuss. Sole proprietorship with manufacturing accounts. And adjustment තාම clear නැත්නම් ඒක clear කරගන්න. Disposal adjustment එක දවසක් මම හදනවා ඒවා ආපහු. EPF and ETF goods sent on sales or return basis as well as disposal adjustment, depreciation straight line basis and reducing balance methods. Some example I will discuss again. That ප්‍රශ්න නැත්නම් අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ හම්බෙමු. Good night. Question number 8 හදන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්.